about reading the Korean alphabet. Before I show you how you can read Korean, I want you to look at this word. It says cat. When you say cat, C here is a consonant, A is a vowel, T is a consonant. Do you see how consonants and vowels work together to make words in English? It's just like that in Korean. In Korean, you have 14 basic consonants and 10 basic vowels. Just like English, you're gonna combine them together to make words. Let me show you. First, read consonant and then a vowel and then 받침. 받침 is just another final consonant that's gonna be placed at the bottom. It's always gonna be consonant, just like the word cat. It says CVC, exactly like English. This is my consonant S, and then I'm gonna add the vowel A, and that would make 사. Another word, this is R or L, and then another vowel A. And this time we have a bottom consonant that will have a 응 sound. So together this would be 랑. So if I pronounce both of them, that is 사랑. And 사랑 means love. If you go to the very back of the book, you'll be able to find this chart that has all the Korean alphabet in one page. Many of my students learned so much from this book, and I hope you also learn a lot. As always, you got this!